Hello, writers! What I'd like you to do now, you should have out an all about book that you've been working on, your pen, and maybe some extra paper just in case you need it. Today, Miss Ennis is going to be teaching a lesson how when we write our all about books, we stick to one topic because we want to tell our reader all about one thing, even though you probably know a lot about a lot of things. So I want to show you what this looks like. Miss Ennis, I want to tell about ice cream. So I'm going to use my FISS list to help me come up with the things that I want to say about ice cream. So ice cream is my main topic, or what my all about book is mostly about. So that's going to go at the center of my hand, ice cream. Now all the details that I tell need to talk about ice cream. I could tell where I buy ice cream, the grocery store, Dairy Queen. I could talk about different types of ice cream. I like mint chocolate chip or kind that has caramel in it. I could talk about the toppings that go on ice cream, like caramel or hot fudge or sprinkles. I could tell about when I eat ice cream. I think ice cream makes a great treat all day long, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I could talk about how ice cream is really yummy and it's one of my favorite treats. All my details have to be about ice cream. So I know you guys have been sending me some of your topics. Like Juniper, she's writing an all about book that's all about unicorns. She's already taught me a lot about unicorns. Where Liam W., he sent me his ideas for his all about book. He's got Pokemon on there and a chinchilla, and I know those are things that Liam knows a lot about. So those would be good ideas to write about. I'm going to click to the next slide to show you my writing, and let's see if I've done a nice job sticking to one topic. Okay, so this is Miss Ennis's writing that I've started so far. So just like I'm doing now, I want you to reread your work today and see if you stuck to one topic. So my first page there is all about flavors. So I said, there are lots of different flavors of ice cream. My favorite is mint chocolate chip. Yeah, I'd say that fits. I told about the flavors. My next page is where to buy. You can get ice cream at DQ, which stands for Dairy Queen, or at the grocery store. Yeah, I'd say that fits in my ice cream story, my ice cream all about book. And let's look at my last page there. Beach. I love the beach in the summer and I eat ice cream. You know, now that I look at that again, I think I got thinking about ice cream, and then the ice cream reminded me of how I like the beach, and, well, maybe the beach doesn't have a lot to do with ice cream. But it sounds like I might have even come up with an idea for my next book. Maybe now I'll write about the beach. So I want you to see how you have to look carefully to make sure that you're still talking about your starting topic, your most important topic. The book that you're telling, what are you telling me all about? So I would say that my beach writing doesn't really fit in my ice cream all about book. So I might have to look at that again. All right, writers, it's your turn. Go back, reread, and make sure that you're sticking with one topic the entire all about book. I know you can do it. Good luck, writers. We are writers, here we go, here we go. Grab your pen and paper, grab your pen and paper right away, right away.